Hello guys, BT2, Misty254 here. Today I'm going to be showing y'all a map showcase, if you can call it that. But today I'm going to show you a cool redstone machine. It is a, what is it called? I should say it over here. It is a vending machine, yeah. So yeah, props to, let's see, his name is Dennis Jan. Dennis Jan, subscribe him on YouTube. Here he is, and yeah. So let's get started. So here we have a coin, or money, you like to call it, and let's take all of this. And here you have the insert item, and what is this? What is it? Oh, extra. So it's like a cash register that you get money back. So let's say we want a chicken for $1. So we'll put a chicken in there, and I guess we tap on it, and then what happens? Do we get our chicken? What do I have to? Oh, and then we click on the chicken. Oh, and there we have it. We have fresh chicken. Nice, cool. It's very cool, but I actually want to put this back. Anyways, yeah, that is. Just hold up. Let me. Yeah. So that is it. If we put. Hold up. Let me put 10 in there, and say I want to get something expensive. We want 2 of these, 2 of these, 1 of these, and 1 of these. Hello, my food. So I think I messed it up. Did I mess it up? Oh no. Click on that, click on that, click on that, click on that. Chicken. Oh yay. I also wanted this and this. We don't have enough money, don't we? Oh, okay. So then we think we get our money back. On this. So yeah, I think it should. Yay! It gave us a chicken. So yeah, technically that's it. Also, yeah, let me just show y'all this very quick. When this is in income storage, so what this actually is you actually put your money, how much you want all the items to be. But yeah, as you can clearly see, I put. Oh, is that? Oh, never mind. It's like the money you get from them. It's like all the money you get. Cause like let's say that someone comes here and they want to buy some, and then like like a vending machine, yeah. And here's all the redstone contraptions. This is actually a lot to go through. I won't even do this myself. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys, that was all. If you want to see more videos of me on more redstone contraptions, please subscribe and leave a comment what I should do next. And yeah, guys, until next time, bye.